Yes, Anushri, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
And can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt from exercise 12B, which was the homework?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
In which question?
Sir, the question number one and second, sub question second.
Okay. Let me do it here for you. 5x square y plus minus 3x square y plus 1 by 2 x square y plus 4 by 5 x square y. So you can just write the numbers first. 5 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5, and x square y you can write outside. So 5 minus 3 is 2. I'll write 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5, and then I'll take the LCM. So LCM is 10. 2 5s are 5 2s are, so it will become 10 2s are 20 plus 5 plus 4 2s are 8, the whole upon 10, and outside the bracket x square y, and this will become 25 plus 8. 25 plus 8 is 33 by 10 x square y. Yeah, so that is the answer. Can you check it behind? Is it same?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so what was your issue in this problem, in this question?
Sir, my answer was 15 by 10. The calculation mistake.
Okay, make sure that you find your own calculation mistakes. Okay, check it
Yes, sir.
again, do it 2 times 3 times, maybe you will find your mistakes. Anything else, anything you did not understand? Okay, then let's get to the third topic of the chapter, that is multiplication. Yes. So multiplication is fairly simple. You will be using the laws of exponents over here. Exponent chapter we have already covered, so you are aware about laws of exponents. So in multiplication there is no rule about multiplying the like terms. You can multiply the unlike terms as well. Okay, so multiplication is fairly simple and easy. So this topic we are going to finish very quickly. Okay. So first thing is multiply 6a square by minus 3a cube. Okay, so what you do first is you multiply the numbers separately. Treat the numbers separately. Okay, so 6 3s are minus 18. Okay, and then you multiply uh, the variables a square and a cube. Now I'll directly write the answer, but I'll show you the steps over here. A squared multiplied by a cube is equal to a raised to 2 plus 3, which is a raised to 5, which is a raised to 5. You see what happened? Bases were same, so we wrote the base as only once, and the powers got added directly. So this is one of the law of exponent, right, which we have studied already. So that you have to apply that law over here and then multiply. So your final answer will be minus 18 a raised to 5. So in only one step you get the answer. So mostly multiplication is very straightforward and simple, right? So please note it down with me, all these questions. Okay, going to the next question. Minus 6 a square b multiplied by 1 by 2 a b square. Okay, so I'll just simplify this. I'll write minus 6 times 1 by 2, okay, multiplied by a square times a multiplied by b square. So what did I do is I wrote the common variables or the same variables together. I wrote the a together, b together. That way it will be easy to multiply them. So it's not about the like terms over here, but it is about the like variable. Okay, the same variable should be multiplied together. Okay, 6 minus 6 multiplied by 1 by 2 will become minus 3. Okay, a square into a. Can anyone tell me a square into a is how much? Sorry.
Sir, a square.
No. A square into
Yes.
a. The
Acha,
power is
into
1
a.
over here. So this will be a cube.
Okay.
Yeah. So if there is nothing over here, that means the power is 1 and you add 2 plus 1, so you get 3. So a cube. B into b square, anyone?
No, b cube.
Very good. B cube. Okay, so this is your final answer. Minus 3 a cube b cube. Chalo, try this next one. Try this next one and then don't send me the picture or anything, just try it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Try it and then I will try it and then you check your answer. When you're done, let me know that you're done. Okay, let me also try so you can check it. So minus 3 by 4 x square y cube multiplied by minus 8 by 9 x y square. Here I'm going to write minus 3 by 4 times minus 8 by 9 together because they both are numbers, and then I'm going to write x square multiplied by x, and then I'm going to write y cube multiplied by y square so that I can multiply them easily. Okay, here 4 minus 2s are, and here 3 minus 3s are 9. Okay, so minus 2 by minus 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. X square into x is x cube, y square into y cube into y square is y raised to 5. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Good, good. So yeah, it is, as you can see, multiplication is quite simple. It takes a very less time and it is done very quickly, right? So multiplication is easy. Now a little different type of multiplication. This is known as multiplication of binomial and a monomial. Multiplication of a binomial and a monomial. Okay. So how do you multiply? See, first what I have written is the monomial. Here I have written the monomial. Monomial means a polynomial with one term. Here I have written the binomial. I have put binomial into the bracket and I have written monomial outside the bracket. Now when I multiply a monomial with a binomial, what I do, I first multiply the monomial with the first term and then multiply with the monomial with the second term, and in between I put the same sign which is there in the bracket between the two terms of binomial. Okay, so remember this method, what I am trying to tell you. So this will look something like this: minus half ab square times 2a cube. Okay, what did I do? I multiplied the monomial with the first term of the binomial, 2a cube, then I put the same sign between, and then I multiply minus half ab square with the second term of the binomial, that is 3a square b. Okay, now you are going to cut this 2. There in the second term you cannot cut anything, so here you are going to simplify. See, you have a over here, a, A means a raised to 1, and here you have got a cube. Okay, so this will become a into a cube, or a raised to 4. Okay, so this will be minus a raised to 4 b square. B square will be as it is. Okay, so this is the answer of the first multiplication. Here you are going to do two multiplications, one with the first term, one with the second term, plus here you are going to get minus 3 by 2, because 3 and minus 1 by 2 will get multiplied with each other. A into a square is a cube, and b square into b is b cube. That's it. You cannot do anything else. This is the final multiplication answer. Okay, so you cannot solve this further, cannot, because there are no like terms. Here if you see, the term is a is 4 b square and a cube b cube, so you cannot do anything. Leave it as it is. Okay, please note it down. Okay, going ahead, this is the next question which I want you to try. See, it does not make any difference if you write the monomial to the left side or to the right side, how they have written. It does not make any difference. But I stick to one pattern and I write it to the left side. So I write the monomial and then I write the binomial. Okay, there is no sign in between them, that means there is multiplication. Okay, so as I told you, first multiply monomial with the first term of the binomial and then with the second term of the binomial and keep the sign as it is. Okay, so this will become, I hope you have got the answer, you just check it with me. So I will see now I will multiply orally, means I am not going to show it what I am multiplying. Okay, मैं सिर्फ orally बोल के multiply कर रहा हूँ. So pay attention. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. X into x is x square. Y square into y is y cube. Can you do that? Yeah, oral multiplication, that is better. Okay, then a minus sign and then I'll put bracket, because see that this should be your you can say habit. Every time there is a minus sign and after that you are going to write a term, put a bracket and then write whatever you want to write. So this is the same minus sign which I circled above. Now minus 2 into 7 minus 14, x into x square x cube, y square into y y cube. Okay, bracket close. Now open the bracket. So minus 10 x square y cube minus minus plus 14 x cube y cube. That's your answer. Is it correct? Please check it.
Sir, the answer is correct, but instead of plus, I wrote multiplication sign.
Yeah, so these are the small things which you have to take care. So that's why we'll not show the multiplication now. Okay, we'll do it orally and we'll directly write the answer. No marks will be cut in exam if you do it directly. There is no issue with that, but you need to get into a habit of doing it directly. Okay, now how many terms do you see over here? 4 terms, and here monomial, one term multiplied by 4 terms. Same thing, you have to multiply that single term with each and every term. So first write the monomial 3a square b, then put the bracket, then write 5a square b minus 3ab square plus 4ab minus 7 bracket close, and then yes. Now who can help me multiply term by term? Kea, go first with the multiplication of the first term over here and the first term over here. Multiply orally.
Sir, 15 a4 b square.
Very good. Anushri, quickly, the first term over here and the second term over here.
Minus 9 a square b.
Sorry, a what?
A4 b.
No, again. A cube, because a square into a is a cube, b into b square is
b cube.
correct. Kea, the next term.
Sir, 12
Plus
a
or
cube.
minus? Plus or minus?
Sir, minus.
Why
Sorry,
minus?
plus.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Sir, 12 a cube b square.
Anushri, last one.
21 a square b.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus 21 a square b. Correct. Done. So easy. Please note it down. Done? Okay. Now this is something unique. You have a trinomial over here and you have a binomial over here. So in this case, the rules of multiplications are slightly different. So first you write a polynomial with less number of terms, that is a binomial, 5x plus 3. Always write the polynomial which has less number of terms first, then put a multiplication sign, or even if you don't, that's no problem. Okay. Trinomial, after that a trinomial, 3x minus 5 plus 2x square. Okay. Now how to multiply? Take the first term of the binomial and multiply with it with the whole trinomial. Okay, so how you will write it, that is important. 5x bracket 3x minus 5 plus 2x square. Okay, now the sign which is there between the two terms of the binomial, put that sign over here, plus, and now write the second term which is 3, and then multiply it with the whole second term, 3x minus 5 plus 2x square. Now look at the big picture. What you have done, you have taken each term of the binomial and multiplied with all the terms, or whole trinomial, whole second polynomial. So that's how you solve it. You can do the reverse also, and that way also you get the same answer. But first let's understand this, solve this and get the answer, and then we'll try some other methods. So what did I do? I took 5x multiplied with the whole second bracket. I put a plus sign between both the terms. I took 3 and I multiplied with the whole second bracket. Okay, so 5x into 3x, 15x square. 5x into 5 minus 25x. 5x into plus 2x square plus 10x cube. Plus 3 into 3x plus 9x. Plus 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Plus 3 into plus 2x square plus 6x square. Now are there any like terms? Bring them together, simplify this, because you need to simplify this. If you don't simplify, it will be a trouble. So we have 10x cube, which is the term with the highest degree. I write that first, then I write plus 15x square, then I write plus 6x square, then I write minus 25x, then I write plus 9x, then I write just the last term which is minus 15. So 10x cube plus 15x square plus 6x square is plus 21x square, plus 25x minus 25x plus 9 is minus 16x minus 15, and this is your final answer. Yes, Kia.
So is it necessary to write the biggest term first?
Biggest term means, acha, okay, the term with the highest degree over here. Yeah, it is, it looks good. It is just because I want to make it look good. No, but actually in algebra it is a rule that you first write the term with the highest power first, and then in the descending order. Yeah, so that way it is good. So this is one method. Now before you note it down, I would show you the other method also, and I will get the same answer through both the methods. So in the other method, I will first write the trinomial 3x minus 5 plus 2x square. Then I will write the binomial 5x plus 3. Then I will multiply 3x with 5x plus 3, then minus 5 with 5x plus 3, and then plus 2x square also with 5x plus 3. Okay, now let's open the bracket. I get 15x square, then I get plus 9x, then I get minus 25x, I get minus 15, then I get plus 10x cube then I get plus 6x square. Now you see exactly same terms I had got over here also, exactly same. So both are similar methods. Okay, first I will write plus 10x cube, then I will write plus 15x square, then I will write plus 6x square, then plus 9x, then minus 25x, then minus 15. So I get 10x cube plus 21x square minus 16x minus 15, the exactly same answer which I had got earlier. So both the methods are valid. Choose one method and follow it for all the questions. Okay, don't get confused, because this can be a little confusing, where you have to multiply each term of one bracket with the whole second bracket, and you can get confused with the sign also, so you have to be careful. Note down only one method, don't note down both the methods. You can, but then it will confuse you unnecessarily, so just follow one method. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yes, now you see how many terms are there in the first bracket. Number of terms are 4. Here the number of terms are 3. Multiply them. Chalo, try. You guys try. Send me the solution once you're done. It will take some time. Big question, okay? Very big question. So do it very nicely, neatly. Don't make silly mistakes. Follow the methods which I've just taught you. Come on. Okay, so we have got both the answers. Now let's check. First, we'll start by checking the question. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 2x minus 5 divided by multiplied by 2 plus x minus x square. Here we have 3x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 2x minus 5 multiplied by 2 plus x minus x square. Okay, question is correct. Now let's check what Anushri has done here. So she has taken 2 here and multiplied with the whole second bracket, which has given us 6x raised to 4 minus 8x square plus 4x minus 10, correct. Then she has taken x and multiplied with the whole bracket over here. So x into 3 x raised to 4 is 3x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus 2x square and minus 5x, and then minus x square is multiplied by the whole bracket. So minus x square into 3x raised to 4 is minus 3x raised to 6 plus 4x4 minus 2x cube, and here we are getting minus x square into minus 5 plus 5x square. Okay, so we write okay, shouldn't this be minus 3x raised to 4, Anushri? है ना, ये तो माइनस है यहाँ पे, right? So there is this small mistake over here. Plus 3x raised to 5, so where have you got this from? Yes, over here. Then plus 10x raised to 4, plus 10x raised to 4 is from where? Achha, you added 2 terms, I think. So you have to show this. You cannot write the direct answer. You have added this and this, right? And then you have got this. Yeah, so this is correct, this is correct. Then minus 6x cube. So I have minus 4x cube and plus 2x cube. This will be minus 2x cube. So there is a mistake here as well, right? And then I have minus x square here. So where have you got minus x square from? We have got plus 5x square plus 2x square is plus 7x square minus 8x square is minus x square, correct? Minus x. So 4x minus 5x is minus x and minus 10. Okay, so one mistake of sign and one addition or subtraction mistake. Apart from that, it is okay, but only the method of writing, I quite don't approve this, because you have written it separately. Okay, you might be convenient with writing them separately, but then this addition and subtraction of all these terms has to be shown. So let's check how Kea has done. So she has simply taken the term of the second bracket trinomial and multiplied with the whole first bracket. Okay, so plus 6x raised to 4 is correct, minus 8x square is correct, plus 4x is correct, minus 10 is correct, then plus 3x raised to 5 minus 4x cube. This is plus 2x square, very good, minus 5x, that is correct, minus x square into 3x raised to 4 is okay. So this is a minus sign, right? Kea, ये माइनस साइन एक्चुअली यहाँ पे लिखो तुम.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
नहीं तो कंफ्यूजन होगा. Okay, minus 4x raised to 4. Don't you think there is a mistake here? This is a minus sign. It is multiplied with this term. So here there will be plus sign. Silly mistake, right? Okay, then minus 2. Okay, again mistake. See, this is a plus sign and there is a minus sign here. When you multiply, this will become minus, and minus minus plus. So 3 mistakes. So I will not consider this. Did you understand where you made mistakes? So only mistakes where you can make in this topic is in calculation, right? So you have to be very, very careful with calculations. Okay, so multiplication part is done. I have taught you multiplication today with different sorts of examples. Now I would like to give you the homework. First, Anushri, your homework is from exercise 12C. All questions, of course, all the questions from exercise 12C, and I know it is a huge homework. It will take a lot of time of yours, but it is necessary. You cannot just do a couple of questions and become a master of it. And for you, Kea, the homework is also in your book. It is 11C. Yes, huge exercises, but a lot of practice for you. Okay, so 12C and 11C are your respective homeworks. Now, Anushri, your school has given this chapter perimeter and area for revision test, right?
Yes, sir.
So have they started teaching it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how much part is coming? The whole chapter is coming or only some part is coming?
For the whole chapter.
Whole chapter, okay. Okay, let me just pause this video here.